Hello, my name is Diana Saunders, and today we are going to look at creating kits or packages in Rental Manager. I've started on my inventory screen and I'm in the edit mode because I already created this inventory item before. I just haven't used it as a kit master. So the two things that you have to do before you start creating kit masters is that you need to have your inventory in your program, and any piece of inventory that's going to be part of a kit you're going to have checked off as part of a kit, so the program will allow you to put it in a kit. Then you will need to create your inventory listings for your packages. For example, this is a tent and party package for 100 people, and it is an inventory listing with an item code. And I've decided that I have enough inventory at any given time to send out 2 of these packages, but not more than that. Everything else is filled in already, but I wanted to show you the units of measure. Rather than using each for a package or a kit, we would advise you to use either the term kit or package or tent kit, so that when it shows up on your packing slip, it's very specific and the people packing know that what they're packing is all the items for a kit. So I am going to choose, I think I'll just choose kit here, and that will be fine. I could choose package. That would work as well. And these, in case you didn't realize that these terms are all under your control, so you can put in any word here that you want to have. And that's when you choose it in this units of measure section, that's what will show up on your order slips, invoices, and packing slips. No, so once you have your item code prepared for the names of your packages, then you would come into the inventory item and click on the kit tab. And once you do that, it says to you, is it part of a kit? Even if it's the title of the kit, it is part of a kit. And is it a kit master record? In this case, yes. So your inventory items, like the parts of the tent or the tables, chairs, dishes, glassware, cutlery, anything that's going to go into that kit should be listed as part of a kit, but not a kit master. And now that I have my my inventory item listed as a kit master, I am going to click on Work with Kits. And when I do that, it opens up my screen. I'm going to go up here now and find my inventory code for my kit master. And tent party package will be down at the bottom. There it is. Okay. So now I have my tent party package for 100 people, and I am going to add all the items. So you can see here it says choose an item to add to this kit. So I'm going to click on all the items in my program that I can add to a kit, because I've already told the program that they are part of a kit, or they can be part of a kit. They don't have to be, but they can be. So first of all, I'm going to put in the pieces for my tent, and I think normally I wouldn't scroll through. I would just put the first letter of the item that I want, but I'm not quite as well prepared this morning as I usually am, so I'm kind of looking here for the items that I want for my tent kit. I am going to use just a plain white pole tent here. And, oh, you know what? And I might just use a black and yellow pole tent. So I'm going to put in my pole tent ends. Add chosen item to kit. There it is. There's my pole tent ends, and I will need 2 of those. And now I'm going to put in, so this time I don't have to, I'm still sitting there. I don't need to scroll through all that. I just need to go up a bit because the centers are here. There's my pole, black and yellow pole tent centers are here. Let's go up a little bit more. There. Click on it, add it, put in the quantity. Okay, now I need, I will need poles. So let's see, do I have tent poles? Yeah, poles for tents. And there's my tent stakes up there. So I'm going to put in my poles. With this tent, I only need 1 pole. And then I'm going to put in my stakes. There we go, chosen. Need 16 stakes. Now I can add the other things that I want to put in this kit for 100 people. So I think that I need to put in some round tables. Let's see, that should have taken me there, so why not? So is it just under tables? No. Let's see, I don't want to have to scroll through here every time. So let me see. Doesn't seem to. All right, let me go down then. There we are. There's my 5-foot tables. I'm going to put those in my kit, add it to my kit. So I am going to have, let's say for 100 people, I'm going to have 12 of those. Now I'm going to, so I've got my tables, and now I need chairs. So I should be able to just do this. Chairs, there's my white stacking chairs. How about that? Add it. Put in the quantity. So you just work your way through like this and put everything in that you need to be in your kit. So now I have my chairs. Now I'm going to need some tablecloths. So what if I, there's my tablecloths, and I had 12 tables, so I need 12 tablecloths. Now if you've put something in that you don't want there, all you have to do is click on that, see where the little pencil is? Click on that line or click on any line and hit the delete key on your keyboard, the same as you would to delete an item in an order, and it will delete it for you, but I'm not going to do that right now. If you wanted to delete the whole kit, then you would use this garbage can, but I would do that very, very carefully. What else do I want in here this morning? I'm just going to keep adding so you can see this process. It's really very, very simple. I think what I need now are some plates. So if I put in plates, I should get my plates. Yep, there's my dinner plates. Put it in. I need 100 of them. come back up here. Oh, I still want plates, but I want a different kind. Let's see. I don't. So I'm going to have some bread and butter plates now. So I need 100 of those. As you can see, you can just keep putting them in, and they get added to the kit. So what happens is that when you call this kit into an order and you put in the number 1 for the kit, then it will pull in all the names of all these items and the quantities that you need for that kit. It also checks to see whether you have enough. So the minute you put this kit into an order, it's looking for, do you have 100 of those bread and butter plates, 100 of those dinner plates, 100 of those chairs, tables, etc. And if you don't, it will automatically follow the overbooking procedure and check it off and tell you you don't have enough, show you don't have enough, and ask you if you want to proceed anyway. So it does check for every single item in the kit to make sure that they're all available for that date that you want to send this kit out. Now I'm not going to add any more in this kit. You can see how easy this process is to use. So I'm going to close the door. That's my kit, the way it is. It's not finished by any means for a proper party package, but you can see how to do this. That's all you need to do. The kit is created. The way to use this most efficiently is to set your reports so that your order form does not show the kits, and your packing slip organizes all of the inventory into kits. So the packing slip you want would be 926 or 927, and you can look through the reports yourself and find the kind of form that you want that doesn't have kit parts in it for the order or the invoice going out, because there's quite a few different choices there. So I'm going to close this door. That is the way that you make kits. So it's really very, very simple. If you want to see the list of kits that you have, you click on this, click on Find by Inventory Code. Let's see if we can find the one that we just did. So the tent party package will start with T, tent party package for 100. There it is. If you go into the report screen itself, there's a report in the inventory section that prints out all of your kits for you, itemizes them, and puts the cost of the kit. That's all there is to it. It's very, very easy to use. Thank you very much and have a great day.